Seed crops orientation. Family Poaceae or Gramineae. Local name Taxonomy and crop morphology. Seed crops of Gramineae family: rice, wheat, maize, sorghum. Rice seed. Rice seedbed. Transplantation. Transplantation by machine. Tillering stage. Intercultural operation. Flowering stage. Fruiting stage. Ripening stage. Harvesting stage. Local name rice. Scientific classification: kingdom planet. Tracheophytes, angiosperms, monocots, comelinides, Poaceae, Oryza sativa. The family Poaceae, another name is Gramineae. Morphology. Root system fibrous. Stem initially tiller, in mature condition comprise with node and internode. Leaf grassy type. Inflorescence called panicle. Cluster of single flower. Flower bisexual, self and cross-pollinated. Fruit endosperm and embryo covered by lemmapelia. Life cycle annual crop. In tropical region, perennial in nature. Wheat seed. Seed sowing. Seedling stage. Tillering stage. Intercultural operation. Fertilizer application. Flowering stage. Fruiting stage. Ripening stage. Harvesting stage. Local name wheat seed. Scientific classification: kingdom Plantae. Tracheophytes, angiosperm, monocots, comelinides, Poaceae, Poaceae, Triticum, Tritici, Triticum, aestivum. Morphology. Root fibrous. Stem initially tiller, in mature condition comprise with node and internode. Leaf grassy type. Inflorescence called spike. Cluster of single flower. Single flower called spikelet, containing womb on tip. Bisexual, self and cross-pollinated. Fruit endosperm and embryo covered by glume. Life cycle, annual crop. Maize seed. Maize seed sowing. Maize seedling. Growth stage. Male flower initiation stage. Reproductive stage. Fruiting stage. Ripening stage and harvesting stage. Local name maize. Scientific classification Kingdom Plantae. Tracheophytes, angiosperm, monocots, comelinids, Poaceae, Panicoideae, Maize. Morphology. Root system fibrous. Stem initially tiller. In mature condition comprise with node and internal. Leaf grassy type. Inflorescence. Many small male flowers make up the male inflorescence called the tassel. Female inflorescence bear stigma called silk. Flower unisexual in nature. Male and female flower appear separately. Fruit. Individual female flower covered fruit. Entire inflorescence called yard. Life cycle, annual crop. Sorghum seed. Seed sowing. Seedling stage. Growth stage. Cattle grazing in the field. Flowering stage. Fruiting stage. Ripening stage. Last of all, harvesting stage. Sorghum used as fodder crop. Local name sorghum. Scientific classification Kingdom Plantae. Tracheophytes, angiosperms, monocots, comelinids, Poaceae, Panicoideae, Sorghum bicolor. Morphology. Root system fibrous. Stem rhizome creates tiller. In mature condition, tiller comprises with node and internal. Leaf grassy type. Leaf base covers stem like sheath. Inflorescence. Many small flowers make up the inflorescence. 2 or 3 florets comprise bicolor. Every floret covered by lemma and palea. Flower bisexual in nature. Male and female flower appear same floret. Fruit, ovary convert to fruit. Life cycle, annual crop. Thanks for watching.